In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view LinkedIn profiles without having an account. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to gather some information discreetly, perhaps for networking purposes, or to check out potential hires without immediately becoming visible on their radar. Let's dive right into the steps and see how you can achieve this effortlessly. First of all, it's important to understand the distinction between public and private LinkedIn profiles. Anyone can view a public profile provided they have the correct link or URL, even if they are not a LinkedIn member. On the other hand, for private profiles, visibility is restricted to only those who are connected on LinkedIn. Now, while LinkedIn primarily functions for account holders, it still allows the viewing of public profiles without needing to sign up. This feature is especially handy if you're not quite ready to join the platform or want to maintain a certain level of privacy. The absence of an account doesn't stand in the way of accessing public information. To begin with, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Google. Once there, you'll want to type in the name of the person whose LinkedIn profile you're interested in. Make sure to include LinkedIn in the search query for the best results. For example, if you're looking for John Doe, simply typing John Doe LinkedIn will guide your search in the right direction. After you've typed in the name, press enter to initiate the search. Google will then list results that match your search criteria. Typically, the first result will be the LinkedIn profile if it's public. It's beneficial to remember that even subtle variations in the name or how the search is structured can affect what is returned, so accuracy is key. Click on that first search result. If the profile is public, as we've established, you should now be able to explore it freely without the need to log in. This includes the person's professional history, their skills, and any public endorsements they might have received. It's almost as if you have an account but without the need to create one. In conclusion, this method provides a simple yet effective way to view LinkedIn profiles without the need for an account. It's perfect for those who want to maintain privacy or are simply exploring their options before deciding to join LinkedIn actively. Remember though, that this method is limited to public profiles, and private information remains visible only to those within the LinkedIn network. Explore wisely and enjoy the seamless access you now know how to achieve.